How to add hobbies on Facebook in both Android and iOS. Now this I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly what you have to do is you have to open your Facebook app and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here you can see the see your profile. So first option, when you click on this, then you can see this you come to this page, and here what you can do is you can see the three dots in the right side of add to story. Click on these three dots, and from this here you can see the edit profile first options, and when you scroll down on this page, here you can see the hobbies sections. So in the hobbies you can see the in the right side of hobbies you can see the add button. Click on the add button, and here you can add the all the suggested hobbies. You can add multiple hobbies, or you can also search the hobbies here by clicking on the search button, and now you can search the hobbies. Let's see, I want to search the cricket, so you can search the cricket. Let's see, I add the cricket. um, you can also scroll down and you can also add by the all the hobbies, recommended hobbies. So let's see, I add this. So you can add anything. I add this, I add badminton. So you can add anything, choose anything, and after choosing anything you can click on the save button in the top right corner, and your hobby is saved. Here you can see all your hobby is saved. So that's basically that how you can add hobbies on Facebook in both Android and iOS. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate